सामीन, अब मैं क्लास 9 से मरियम कुतुबुद्दीन को एक अजीमुशान दर्स हदीस पेश करने के लिए आवाज़ देती हूँ, जहाँ हम अपने नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की पाक वसीयतों और मौज़ूदाना इरशादात से फैज़याब होंगे। ये दर्स हदीस हमें इस्लाम की तालीमात को समझने, अपनी ज़िंदगियों को संवारने और हक़ और सदाकत की राह पर चलने की तौफ़ीक़ अता करेगा। आज की दर्स हदीस मद्दीन मल ईमान मल इस्लाम पर मुबनी है। हम इस हदीस के मफ़हूम और माने को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। प्लीज वेलकम ऑन दिस स्टेज मरियम कुतुबुद्दीन फ्रॉम क्लास 9 विद अ ग्रेट अप्लॉज फॉर देम। मुंतहा, मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है हमारे ऑडियंस को इसके बाद भी किसी और प्रोग्राम में जाना है, तभी तो ये तालियां बजाने में इतना कंजूसी कर रहे हैं। अरे बजाइए तालियां।
Assalamualaikum. I am Maryam Kutbuddin from class 9. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, today I stand here in front of you to deliver a very important hadith known as the hadith of Jibreel. The hadith goes as follows: as that one day the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting among all of his companions, and a strange man came into the masjid. This was a man they had never seen before. He was wearing the most perfect clothes. Not one crease was on his garments, and the garment was shining white. He entered in and he walked directly to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sat down in front of him, and he put his hand on the knees of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he asked him, "O Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell me, what is Islam? Islam क्या होता है?" And so the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Islam is the 5 pillars that all of you know, and that is testify La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, to establish the salah, to pay the zakat, to fast Ramadan, and to go for Hajj." So the man said, "You have spoken the truth." The Sahaba were shocked, the companion were shocked, that how could anybody dare say to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "You have spoken the truth." I mean, who has that audacity to say to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "You are speaking the truth"? And then they say, "What is Iman? Iman क्या होता है?" And so the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Iman is the 6 pillars. Iman is to believe in Allah, and to believe in the angels, and to believe in the prophets, and to believe in the day of and to believe in the books, and to believe in the day of judgments, and to believe in predestination." So once again the man said, "You have spoken the truth." And then they said, "What is ihsan? Ihsan क्या होता है?" The state of excellence is as if you are worshipping Allah all the time, as if you are looking directly at Him, because even though you don't see Allah, Allah is seeing you. So once again the man said, "You have spoken the truth." And then they said, "When is the day of judgments? You have any idea? You have any idea what Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said?" Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I don't know any more than you do. You don't know, and I don't know. We both don't know. When is the day of judgments?" So the man said, "Okay, tell me, what are the signs that the day of judgment is close?" So the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the signs of the day of judgments are many. For this will say that shepherds who don't have any money, who don't even have sandals to wear, you will find them competing with one and another to build tallest and tallest building. So once again the man said, "You have spoken the truth." And then he left. So the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Sahaba, "That was the angel of Jibreel who came to teach you your religion." It is one of the hadith that Imam Muhammad said the whole religion of Islam revolves around this hadith. Let's summarize the hadith. Islam is the religion we believe in, and we are all Muslim. Iman is the fact that makes us Muslim. Muslim, ihsan is our state of excellence and a psychological frame of mind. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, listen carefully. And every Muslim one of us has to have Islam, Iman and ihsan, all three at once. You can't be a Muslim. You can't be a Muslim without Iman, and you can't have Iman without Islam. All three at same. So we need to have 5 pillars of Islam and 6 pillars of Iman and the psychological frame of ihsan. And every Muslim one of us has to have all of these 3 things together. And you can't have religion, and you can't have religion without all of these 3 things in one person. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you are fully understand what I want to say you. And my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, we thanks Allah Azza for having guided us to these religions, and we ask that Allah perfect our Islam, our Iman and our ihsan. Thank you for listening me carefully.
माशाअल्लाह मौजूद सामीन, अभी हमने नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की नूरानी शहज़ाद से फैज़ाब होकर एक बहुत ही कीमती दर्स हदीस मुकम्मल किया है। आज की इस दर्स हदीस में दीन क्या है, ईमान क्या है, इस्लाम क्या है, इसके बारे में जाना। अल्लाह ताला ने हमें इस दर्स हदीस से हासिल होने वाले सबक को अपनी ज़िंदगी में अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए। आमीन।